Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on the application of Zoom. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about the application of Zoom and you will enter. Then you can click on clear on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Zoom. If you will find updates in this blue sign, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.